guys, so it's been requested that I do cooking videos and I feckin' love cooking, so I thought I'd give it a go. Today we are making a vegan red lentil curry. This is one of my all-time favourite dinners. It is banging. I've got all my stuff weighed out. I'm not going to chunt it too much, I'm just going to show you as we do it. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I do all manner of shit on here, so yeah, if there's anything else you want to see me cook, pop it down below and I'll do my best. But let's jump in. So I've got a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Ideally I'd use coconut oil, but I don't have any, so I've just used vegetable oil. And then I'm going to measure out all my spices, which I will list on the screen, and also I'll put the full recipe down below. Once this starts to sizzle a bit more, we will put them in. First off, I'm going to put in 4 cloves of garlic. This has just been grated, but you can mince it or chop it however you want. I just grate it because it's easier. So we're going to let this cook for 2 minutes, and I'm going to be really careful not to let it burn. Well, so my little helper has just woken up. Hello? You going to help me cook? Good boy. So in here we have an array of spices which we want to stir in like this, and we'll just let these cook to get fragrant for a few minutes. I wish you could smell, because it smells amazing. How good does it smell, Foxy? Amazing? Amazing. So we're just going to let these cook, and then we're going to add in vegetable broth or vegetable stock, and we're going to give it a little stir just to make sure there's no bits stuck to the bottom. And then we're going to add our tomatoes. Next up, we're adding in a whole carton of passata. You can add crushed tomatoes if you want. If I want any chance of the kids eating this, I have to have no chunks of tomato because they will not touch it otherwise. Give this a mix. And then we're going to add our rinsed lentils. So it's 180 grams of rinsed lentils. Red split lentils that you just literally put them in a sieve and run them under cold water until the water runs clear. And give them a stir in. I'm gonna turn the heat up slightly to get it to come to a simmer, and once it's started to bubble, I'm gonna turn it down, pop the lid on, and I'll leave this for about 25-30 minutes, checking on it occasionally and stirring it to make sure nothing sticks, until the lentils are nearly cooked, and then we'll come back for the next step. I thought I would just show you, this is halfway through cooking, so this has been cooking for about 13 minutes, and you can see it's getting really nice and thick. Right, it has been about 27 minutes and it looks good. So now we are going to add a can of coconut milk. I use the lighter stuff just because I don't feel like you can taste any difference, but it does make the calories a lot less, but that's just my personal choice. And then I'm gonna let this mix in, and then the next bit is very, very important. You must not skip this next step. You need to add 3 tablespoons of almond butter. Peanut butter will work as well. It has to be smooth. I didn't have any smooth, so I had to use peanut butter. Okay. I didn't have any smooth almond butter or peanut butter, so I had to blend my almond butter. But yeah, do this and then let this cook for another 6 or 7 minutes. Now is your time to season, so add salt and pepper, taste it as you go to see how much you need, and we'll come back in a bit and leave the lid off now. So it's all done now. The almond butter and coconut milk have all gone in really nicely. It is ready to serve. We're going to have this tonight. I usually serve it with some poppadoms and a flatbread, and I will show you how to make the flatbreads in a minute, and they are super easy. But you can have it with rice if you wanted, or however you want really. It's just absolutely delicious. I had a complete brain fart and started making the flatbreads without showing you what to do, but it's literally the easiest thing. It's 250 grams of self-raising flour, which I think in America it's called cake flour, I think. And then 250 grams of natural yogurt. That's it. Literally just mix it together. I'll mix it and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's mixed. That is it. I mix it with a spoon until I can't mix it anymore, and then I get in with my hands for like a minute just till it all comes together. And then leave it on the side for 20 minutes to come to room temperature, and we'll come back. Right, to make the flatbreads, you need a big space and just spray it with a bit of oil. And we're going to divide the dough into 8, like that, and then we'll take each one of these. It's going to be a flatbread, so we'll just separate them out. These are about 120 calories each, and I like to make them about, how big? So about as big as my hand. I will roll the rest out and then I will show you how we cook them. So I've got a pan on a sort of medium heat, and I'll just chuck the flatbread in, no oil or nothing, just chuck it in, and it will take maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I'll show you when you know when to turn it. It's been about 2 minutes. Some nice goldenness on it, and just give it a flip, and then another 2 minutes. I've got my curry heating up here. I thought I would just show you it all dished up. So this is my 6-year-old's portion. She's got a little bowl of curry, a flatbread, and one of the big rice cracker things to dunk. But yeah, if you make it, let me know. I would love to see what you think. Thanks for watching.